In the rise of the internet, porn sites present privacy risks. Hi everyone, welcome to Hackway, the channel where I share tips and tricks on how to stay safe and secure online. In this video, I'm going to talk about why porn sites are dangerous and how they can affect you.
Well, he was charged with possession of child pornography back in March, and now the Coweta County man is facing additional charges.
Fox 5's Doug Evans says the charges come as authorities review electronic devices seized from the man's home.
So, Mr. Fisher, you are under arrest for the possession of child pornography.
Fox 5 News has learned of additional charges against 53-year-old Kendall Aaron Fisher. In early May, an investigator with the Coweta County Internet Crimes Against Children Unit arrested Fisher for one count of possession of child pornography.
Help me! What was that thing?
A hand job.
She won't use lotion! She wants us to suffer! She wants us to suffer!
She's just flicking it out! Over the pins, hand jobs are real!
What is this place?
Need a hand? In life, sometimes things are far worse than death. Hand jobs. Normally, when someone receives one, they just hate it. But in this place, they die on the inside. And it's all her fault. There's something evil in this place. With calloused hands and strong wrists, and solely one thing is certain. She's the only one who comes in this cabin, and she comes for you.
Don't even have a dick.
Porn sites are one of the most popular types of websites on the internet, but they also pose a lot of risks for your privacy, security and mental health. Here are some of the reasons why you should avoid visiting porn sites. Malware, viruses and spyware. Porn sites can infect your device and steal your personal information, such as your passwords, credit card details and browsing history. Some porn sites may even hijack your webcam and microphone and record you without your consent. Illegal or harmful content. Porn sites can expose you to content that can traumatize you or make you feel guilty, ashamed or depressed. Some porn sites may feature child pornography, rape, violence, incest or bestiality, which are not only immoral but also illegal in many countries. Sexual performance and satisfaction. Porn sites can create unrealistic expectations and standards for your sex life. Watching too much porn can make you addicted to it and desensitize you to real-life intimacy. It can also cause erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation or low libido in men, and low self-esteem, body image issues or sexual dissatisfaction in women. So how can you protect yourself from the porn sites? By taking steps to protect your privacy, you can limit the amount of information that is collected about you. I have already made a video on protecting your online privacy, a comprehensive guide. You can check the link in the description and also check the I button. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.